Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosis. In today's video, we will discuss about how to change shipping label size in Odoo 18 inventory. In Odoo, there are a variety of different types of shipping labels that can be selected for delivery orders. Depending on the types of shipping package used, different label size may be more appropriate and can be configured to fit the package. So let's move on to the configuration of this feature. You can just dive into the inventory module. From there, let's head into the configuration, and under the delivery, we can find the delivery methods. So from here, we can just choose the delivery method. I would like to choose the delivery method, which is FedEx. So once this is set, you can just go to the FedEx configuration. Here you can find the configuration tab, and under this you can find the label format and label type and all. So you can just choose from here. So I would like to choose the label type as paper letter. So if you want to change that, you can change. And you can also set the label format. It can be PDF, EPL2 or PNG, or it can be um, ZNP, ZPL2. Okay, so I would like to choose the label format as PDF. So once this is done, when a sale order with corresponding shipping company is confirmed, a delivery order is validated, the shipping label will be automatically created as a PDF and appear in the chatter. So in order to create a sale order, we can just move on to the sales module. So from the sales module, first we have to create a quotation. Let me click on new button in order to create the quotation where you can just fill out the details of the customer and you can just choose the product. I would like to choose a product which is chair floor protection. So as I just choose a product here, you can also set the quantity. I'm going to set the quantity as 5 over here. You can set the quantity that you want, and afterwards here you would be able to find a button called add shipping. So as you just go here we have to choose the shipping method. I would like to choose the shipping method as FedEx US. So you can just choose that. So once this is done, here you can find the total order weight. So that is 5 kg. So as you just choose a product, you just need to ensure that you have designated the weight under the inventory tab of the product form. Now let's move on to get rate. So the cost will be calculating over here. So we have to wait for a while, and here you can find the cost. So here you can find the warning that the return rate type are in request of preferred currency and preferred rates not return. So let's click on add so that it will be added under the order lines. So here you can see the price of the product as well as the shipping cost. So once this is added, we can just confirm the order. So once the order is confirmed, the next step is that to deliver the item. So as we just try to deliver the item, we can, see, we have to validate the process. So let me click on validate, and you can see currently we have just done with the delivery. So as we just move on to the chatter, here you can see that the label shipping's size will be changed over here, and you can easily find it from the chatter. So this is the result of the label changing shipping label sizes in Odoo 18. So I hope this video clarifies how to set and change the shipping label size in Odoo 18 inventory. That's all for today. If you want Odoo customizations or Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybroses. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.